Alright, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Today's actually a holiday. I thought the streets were going to be way busier. Not even my last POV. This is going to be my last video for like a month or something. But yeah, this one last POV for y'all. If it's y'all's first time watching, this is my 2016 340i Stage 2 on MHD, Stage 3 XHP. But yeah, I'm really going to drive this thing today because I know I'm going to miss my car a lot. It hasn't really hit me yet, but I know I'm going to miss this thing for sure. So I better enjoy this last drive because this is pretty much my last drive that I'm going to be ripping it. I don't even know if there's people working. Yeah, there's actually people working. Good thing I didn't go crazy. Yeah, at least someone got away at the red light. I don't think that thing ever changes though. Hey boys, I'm gonna miss this thing, bro. Damn, for like a month is way longer than I'm thinking right now. I'm thinking it's nothing, but not having a car for a month is gonna be crazy. I don't even know where I'm going, bro. I'm just going in circles right now. I ain't even trying to do nothing crazy because I'm in the community. I thought about it though. I'm trying to give y'all a proper anti-lag code. Let me know if y'all can recognize these routes in my POVs, because I've driven here before in the POV not too long ago actually. Quick little walk around on this. There's a fire spot, so I don't see why not. Oh shit, I need to grab my phone because I know for a fact I'm gonna be taking some pictures too. Damn, that shit looks nice. I like the vibe a black car gives off, I can't lie, but this thing is hard to keep clean. But if you love your cars, it shouldn't be an issue because, you know, you're not gonna mind cleaning it. But if you want a black car, just know that this thing is almost impossible to keep clean all the time. Hey, I was spamming, bro. Look at that. That's how it be though. You gotta take like a million to find one good one. Y'all know how it is though. Pass. It is way too good not to pass there. Good thing we're in Mexico though. Look at X Drive. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff X-Drive lets you do. Y'all are mostly about just speed and speeding off like crazy, then X-Drive is what you want. But if y'all want to slide, like right there, I would way prefer to be like, you know, doing a little drift. But, you know, I got an X-Drive. It is fun though, so if y'all want an X-Drive, then that's what y'all gonna get. That thing grips like crazy. I think that's enough craziness from our video today. This was a perfect little drive. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the video. And I'll see y'all again in a month, or maybe before that. Like I said, I might post like a little update video or something, but yeah, I'll catch y'all boys again in the next one.